Learn with Yogesh sir.
Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Yogesh sir. You are watching class 3 English textbook Santu chapter wise explanation series, and today in this video I will explain chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is Badal and Moti. So this is the story of Bacho Badal and Moti and their friendship. A heartwarming story of friendship, bravery and loyalty between a boy and his dog. So let's start Bacho. So, there was a boy called Badal. He lived with his mother in a village and they were happy. One evening, when Badal was returning from school, he saw a puppy shivering in the cold by the side of the road. So Badal brought the wet, cold puppy home, holding him gently. He looked into his mother's eye with a hopeful question. So here are two new words, बच्चों. First is shivering. Shivering means बच्चों कांपना. Its meaning in English, shaking silently because of being cold or frightened. Example, the little puppy was shivering under the cold rain. And the next is village. Village का मतलब होता है बच्चों गांव. Its meaning in English, a small town in the countryside where the people live. Example, Badal lived in a beautiful green village. So coming to next, when he asked to his mother with a hope, so what he is asking, can this puppy stay with us, ma? Yeah, then mom said, yes, beta, but only one condition. What is that? If you promise to me to take care of the puppy, said his mother with a smile. So Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti. So what was the name of puppy? Moti. As days went by, Moti grew up and loved Badal. They became best friends. They ate and played together. Moti followed Badal wherever he went. So, let us think, बच्चों, why did they name him Moti? So, in Hindi, Moti means बच्चों pearl. Pearl means just like a precious pearl. The puppy was clean, precious, and loved dearly by the family. So, that's why they named the puppy Moti. So, eating together, Moti and Badal shared delicious meals. Badal ensured Moti had healthy food and clean water, just as he promised his mother. Played game. They played their favorite games together, like running with tires, chasing balls, and running around the lush green village fields. Always together. Moti followed Badal wherever he went. He waited for Badal to return from school, sitting eagerly by the wooden gate. So, slipped in mud. So one rainy day, while Badal was on his way home from the school, he slipped on the muddy lane and fell into a deep pit. He tried hard but couldn't come out of the pit. So a worrying search. Badal's mother was worried when he did not come home in time. Moti too was waiting at the gate. Badal's mother gathered the neighbors to help search of him. Moti accompanied them. Moti caught Badal's scent. He followed the scent, went near the pit, and started barking. This alerted the neighbors. They used a rope to pull up Badal out. Everyone was relieved. Badal hugged and thanked Moti. So there are some new word बच्चों. First is scent. What is scent बच्चों? A scent means in Hindi गंध या सूंघना. It meaning in English a distinctive smell, especially one that can be followed. Example, Moti followed Badal's scent to find him. The next one is accompanied. Its meaning साथ जाना. Went along with someone as a companion. Moti accompanied Badal's mother into the lane. Relieved. What is meaning? Relieved means बच्चों राहत महसूस करना. Meaning feeling happy because worry or pain has ended. Example, everyone was relieved when Badal was safe. So there are some questions. So let's see, bachcho. First one is, what did Badal come across by the side of the road? Badal came across a puppy shivering in the cold by the side of the road. Second is, what did Badal and his mother name the puppy? So they named the puppy Moti. What did Badal fall into? So on a rainy day, Badal slipped on the muddy lane and fell into a deep pit. How did Moti find Badal? So Moti caught Badal scent, followed it to the pit, and started barking. This altered the this this alerted the searching neighbors. Statement true or false? So first one is, Badal lived with his grandmother. So this is wrong. Badal lived with his mother. Moti grew up and loved Badal. Yes, true. They become best friend and did everything together. C is, Badal's mother was worried when he didn't come home. Obviously, she was worried when he didn't come home on time. Moti caught Badal's photo. No, he caught Badal's scent. Badal hugged his puppy Moti and thanked him. Obviously, he thanked Moti because he helped the other people, the neighbors, to find him. So discussion, let us discuss. So you have to discuss this question in your class. So first one is, have you ever fallen down? How did you fall? And who picked you up? So answer you have to tell by yourself. Do you have a pet at home, or do you know someone else who has a pet dog or cat? So my dear student, if you have a pet at home, you can write his name in the comment box. If you could keep any animal as a pet, which would you choose? Why? So answer of this question also you can write in the comment box. Next is, let us learn past actions ending in ed. So when we tell a story and when we tell an incident which has happened earlier in the past, we use the past form of action word. You know what are action words, bachcho? So like here, leave. So when you use a sentence with leave, a past sentence, you will use lived instead of leave. So lived with his mother, like in this chapter. Love, the past form of love will be loved. Moti loved Badal. Past form of play is played. They played together. Gathered is past form of gather. Mother gathered neighbors. And thanked is past form of thank. Badal thanked Moti. So there are some more action words which past form you have to make, like walk. Walk plus ed, walked. Play, played. Talk, talked. Ask, asked. Touch, touched. Their Hindi meanings are also given here, बच्चों. Like walked means पैदल चला, played means खेला, talked means बातें की, asked means पूछा, touched means छुआ. Next is, let us learn match the words pair. So words pair means there are some words which always come in pairs, like bat and ball. Bat and ball, needle and thread, lock and key, paper and pencil, chair and table, idli and sambar. Can you tell me some more words which we use in a pair? So you can write in the comment box. Next is, bachcho, let us listen number the story sequence. So some sentences are given here. We have to arrange them in sequence, or you can give them number as the sequence of story. I have already done it here. Like first one is, Badal came across a puppy by the side of road. Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti. One rainy day he slipped and fell into a deep pit. Moti accompanied Badal's mother to search for him. Moti followed Badal's scent and went near the pit and started barking. Badal hugged Moti. So next is, let us speak by my daily routine. So what you have to do here, you have to tell your daily routine here. Like every day I wake up at 6 in the morning, then I brush my teeth and go to the bathroom. After that I take a bath and dress up school. I eat breakfast and go to school. So let us write the dove and the ant story. Again new story, or again a story of friends. So meet two caring friends. Who are these? Just like Badal and Moti, friendship can exist between any creatures. It is not like humans can make friends. Even the other animals, creatures, insects, they also can make friends. Like you can see here, this is the story or from page 21 to 22 about a dove and an ant. The sequential events. So first one is the ant fell into the water stream. The kind dove threw a green leaf down. The ant climbed on the leaf and was saved. Later, the ant beat a hunter to save the dove. So you can see the story. The moral of the story: a friend is in need is a friend indeed. No matter how small or large you are, your small kindness can save someone's life. They will help you when you are in trouble. So just like Moti and Badal, dove and ant saved dove. Dove saved ant saved dove. So in the same way, my dear student, you should help the other needy person, your friend, all the other person who needs help. Let us write completed story of two friends. So word box, we have to fill in the box. We have to fill in the blanks. So a dove was resting on a dash of a tree. So obviously on a branch of a tree near a dash a stream. An ant dashed into the stream. So fell into the stream and cried to help. The dove dropped the leaf into the stream. The ant climbed on the leaf and landed safely. Another day the ant saw a hunter aiming at the dove. She quickly climbed up and beat the hunter's hand. The dove flew away unhurt. So next is bachcho, let us learn statement versus question. So when we say something, so actually there are two things we are doing. Actually either we are saying either we are giving some statement or we are asking something. So when we give a statement, we use at the end of the sentence full stop. For example, yes beta, but only if you promise to take care of the puppy. So this is a statement and then we are using here full stop at the end. For example, if I tell my name is Yogesh Sharma. So this is a statement and at the end of this statement I will use a full stop in written form. If I am saying, if I am speaking this, I will give a stop here, a pause here, but if I am writing the sentence, I'll use a full stop. On the other hand, the question mark, when you ask something, when you have some query, when doubt, you will use question mark sign at the end. For example, can this puppy stay with us, ma? Where is Badal? So these are some example of questions. Solved punctuation exercise. So we have to put punctuation marks here, full stop, question mark. So sunrise is in the east. So this is the statement. That's why we are using a full stop here. What is your name? This is a question. I like to eat mangoes. So full stop. It is a statement. May I borrow your English book? So this is a question. So question mark. Brinda and Namarta are good friends. So this is a statement. So full stop we will use here. Whose shoes are these? So question mark. So this is all about this chapter, bachcho. If your video is useful for you, like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.